Hausmann. I'm the Senior Curator and Deputy Director for Collections and Exhibitions at the New York Transit Museum. I've worked at the MTA for 20 years. Grand Central was a place where you didn't spend a lot of time before the restoration. It was a place you moved through pretty quickly. So Grand Central, when it was restored, has really become the temple of transportation that it always was meant to be. It's a beautiful Beaux-Arts landmark in the middle of Manhattan. It is the crossroads of all of New York City. Everyone comes through Grand Central. When the terminal was renovated in 1998, we had the opportunity to open a gallery and store, and it's been really successful. We have over 400,000 visitors every single year. We're able to present different kinds of exhibitions about art and design, technology, and mass transit that celebrates the region. And we also have a wonderful store where we sell all kinds of transit-related merchandise and souvenirs for people to buy and take home with them. At the New York Transit Museum, we currently have an exhibition called Poetry in Motion at 25. It's an exhibition that celebrates the beloved program that is featured on New York City subway and buses, bringing poetry into the commuting experience for New Yorkers.